Hey Houston, it's Mike Eli from the Eli Young Band. I want to personally invite you and your crew to the 5th annual Peel for a Purpose Crawfish Festival happening right here in our backyard, and it's all going down in support of an incredible organization, Boots for Troops. We're talking all-you-can-eat crawfish, a full-blown crawfish cook-off, cold drinks, and a stacked lineup of live music, including us, the Eli Young Band, and some of our good friends. This is more than just a festival. It's a chance to give back to the men and women who serve our country and to help send care packages and support to active duty troops around the world. So grab your boots, bring your appetite, and let's make a difference together. We'll see you at Peel for a Purpose, and let's do this, Houston. Boom.
All right, well, that's pretty cool. You heard it here first, folks. Mike Eli from the Eli Young Band. I believe he is from Tomball as well. He's inviting all of us to the 5th annual Peel for a Purpose Crawfish Festival happening this Saturday at Sam Houston Race Park. Joining us now with more on the event and how it benefits Boots for Troops. Please welcome Boots for Troops co-founder and president, U.S. Navy veteran Jimmy Rogers. Welcome back to Houston Life, Jimmy.
Happy to be here. Thanks for having me.
Hey, we were just chatting during the break. Boots for Troops, 10 years you've been around. Refresh our viewers' memories. How did this all begin?
So it started back in 2015 when I was deployed with the Navy. I was getting really cool care packages from home, but some of my friends weren't. And I wanted to create a program where we targeted the younger frontline people, but I also wanted to create a program where we sent the world's greatest care packages. We come from the world's greatest country, and I feel like we should be sending the world's greatest care packages to our troops.
And Jimmy, describe to us when you are deployed, and we all know and love people who have served, and when you are out there, the feeling of isolation, of feeling homesick, what does a care package mean when you are out there deployed?
It means the absolute world to them. I know from being there, there's nothing like mail call. Everybody gets really excited when mail call happens, and I try to tell people, put yourself in this mental state. Tomorrow you're gonna pack a bag, and you're gonna get on a flight or a ship, and you're gonna go away for 9 months and not see your wife, not see your kids, not see your family, your friends. And then imagine being over there and getting that box or getting that letter, right? It means the absolute world. It's very important to their morale that we support them in those tough situations.
Yeah, it's like a virtual hug from home, right?
It's a hug in a box. That's what we call it.
A hug in a box in unimaginable situations.
Yep.
So Boots for Troops, 10 years. Congratulations on a decade of making a difference in people's lives. So this Crawfish Festival, Peel for a Purpose, how did this come to be? And it's also perfect timing because we're like at the heart of crawfish season.
Well, we have a partner, Moffitt Services, who does a big annual crawfish company event. And then we started off doing a little small one for Boots for Troops, and then we decided to merge it 5 years ago. And really, it's just grown every year. That's kind of how it started, and we've built it every year. I keep wanting to tell you this because I saw it at the top. Mike Eli from Tomball. I actually graduated from Tomball High School as well, so a really cool kind of
You're kidding.
No, I'm serious. So that was really cool for us when we landed the Eli Young Band because obviously I'm a Tomball High School graduate myself. He's a Tomball High School graduate. So a really cool kind of feature there into the event.
Well, and I think it's great too that no matter how big Eli Young Band has gotten, they're still giving back. They're putting themselves out there. And as part of this event, I understand you'll be honoring 3 local veterans.
Yep. Every event that we do at Boots for Troops, we bring some veterans up on stage. We honor their service. We give them gifts from our sponsors. Really cool, almost like a care package as well. But we think it's important that we continue to honor veterans as many times as we can, even the ones that have been home for a while, right?
Yeah, it's great. And in case viewers are not familiar with the mission of Boots for Troops, essentially you are helping people who are currently deployed, veterans, their families as well. The whole idea is to support the entire unit of people.
Right. And like my shirt says, morale matters. That's what we're all about. We're about raising the morale of active duty troops and our veterans. We want to keep their morale high because we know how important it is.
It's such a great idea to throw a big party for people to come together and have a great time, but also to have like this collective mission in mind. This is happening on Easter Sunday, and is it true the Easter Bunny, or I'm sorry, Saturday, the day before Easter weekend, but Saturday. Is it true the Easter Bunny will be making an appearance though?
It's true. The rumor's true. The Easter Bunny is going to be dropping some eggs from a helicopter, so we're all excited to see how that turns out.
Hold on, Jimmy. Help us understand this. Dropping eggs from a helicopter?
That is true. I don't know. Look. I wasn't part of the planning on this. I'm just here to see it as well. So I think it's going to be awesome, though.
That's going to be a really fun thing to witness, and I want to hear back how it goes down. People have a chance also to bid on different items and experiences. Is that right?
We'll have a raffle and also a silent and live auction. We have some really cool prizes, including a chance to win a trip to Nashville to go to the CMA Fest in June. So, yeah, some really, really nice things that are going to be benefiting Boots for Troops in the auction.
It's fantastic. By the way, how's your wife, Lindsay, doing?
She's doing fantastic. I got her at the race park right now working, getting everybody set up for the event this weekend. So she's doing well.
Throwing an event like this, I know, takes a lot of work and a lot of love.
Yeah.
So how do people find tickets? They buy tickets online before they go? Is that how it works?
So our VIP is sold out, which is good for us, but there's plenty of GA tickets left. You can find it at bootsfortroops.org. Click the events tab and you'll see the event pop up right there when you click it.
Okay, well, it sounds fantastic. Mark your calendars again. This is happening Saturday, the day before Easter, April 19th from 2 to 9 p.m. It's going to be a fantastic time. Jimmy Rogers, it's great to see you. Thanks so much for stopping by Houston Life.
Absolutely. Thanks for having me.
Yeah, and congrats again on a decade of making a difference in veterans' lives.
And also, real quick, there's going to be 18 cook-off teams out there, different recipes for crawfish, so all-you-can-eat tasting.
Okay, I like that. Everyone has, their style is just a little bit different.
Yep.
All right, for more info and to purchase tickets, you can visit bootsfortroops.org or you can call 281-789-7567. All right, Jimmy, thanks once again.